So today we're checking out this foot hammock. Brand sent me this to do a video over. My daughter's going to be demonstrating how she would use it on like a long road trip or something like that. You can do this in a vehicle, on a plane, bus, anything like that. It has a headrest. It is fully adjustable. It's as short as it goes right now. We're going to make it a little bit longer and adjust that. And we're going to unclip it. Put it over the headrest. Just like that. And we're going to clip it back. And that's all there is to it. So now she can just sit there. She has somewhere to prop her foot and go up. It can go down even more. It can go up some more if she wants to do that. But instead of, having your knees up like this, it's just a little bit more comfortable. Especially if you have knee problems or something like that, or you've been sitting in that position for a very long time. It's nice to have somewhere else to put your legs. If you very long plane ride or bus ride where the seating is very tight, it's nice to have somewhere to raise and lower your legs. So that's this foot hammock. Is it comfortable? She says it's comfortable. It's pretty padded and it looks pretty strong. It's got rivets, 3 different rivets in there. It's not just sewn in. It's got the rivets too. So that's going to increase the strength. It feels good. Everything's nice and thick on it. So that's this foot hammock. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.